Did you know that chronic inflammation can silently disrupt your body's metabolic functions? This hidden culprit is often overlooked, yet it plays a significant role in elevating A1C levels, impacting your overall health. Addressing inflammation is crucial for managing your health. By understanding its effects, you can take proactive steps to maintain a balanced metabolic state and prevent potential health complications. Let's dive into the biological mechanisms connecting inflammation to A1C levels. Inflammation affects insulin sensitivity, leading to impaired glucose metabolism and higher A1C readings. Real-world examples show how inflammation impacts metabolic health. By understanding these connections, you can better manage your health and make informed decisions about your lifestyle. Explore how red light therapy can reduce inflammation and support metabolic health. This innovative approach offers a non-invasive way to address chronic inflammation effectively. Targeted nutrition plays a vital role in combating inflammation. By incorporating anti-inflammatory foods into your diet, you can enhance your body's natural defenses and promote overall well-being. By reducing inflammation, you can improve your metabolic health and overall well-being. Taking control of your health starts with understanding the impact of inflammation and making informed choices. Visit TrueWeightSolutions.com to start your journey towards better health today. Together, we can tackle inflammation and achieve a healthier, more balanced life.